Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing a game called Don't Press the Button 4. So if you like these content I make, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I played a game called not Escape. Don't press the button yeah, I guess wait, why is there a hole? This is getting kind of weird. Wait, what's happening? Oh, my game's probably loading. Okay. Okay, we have to go down. Ow! What? Okay, I guess we're here now. Someone said something in the chat. Ha 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 ha. Oh, hey, it's the button presser guy. I'm so ready to click it. I want to click the button. So these are all my stuff I have. I have a gun. Hey, wait, what? Okay, a gun does this bang. A Robux bag. Kinda Robux-ish. What happened to that guy's head? It looks so weird. I have a chocolate milk, pizza, and teddy bear. Oh god, I need to click it. What happened? Ah! Help me, I'm so small. I gotta reset so I don't become small next time. What happened? Why did that look so big? Wait, I'm big. I'm bigger than everyone here. Can I click the button at least? I want you to click it. Slide down. Yeah, that's the void. I wouldn't do that. I'm just gonna get ready to press the button again. Oh wait, what? Why is it still that guy? It's supposed to be me, right? Let me click the button, dudes. Get away, dude. I'm gonna be the clicker button. Not this dude. I'll click the button and you will just watch. I'll click it. Ah! Bruh! What's that for? Okay, at least I spawned. Okay, I'm just gonna go down. Okay, this is pretty easy. Chocolate is my favorite food. Well, second, because I like mac and cheese more. But still, I love milkshakes. Oh my god. Or I don't know. Is that milkshakes? Uh-oh, not lasers. Okay, I guess I'll go here. Someone already won. That's cool. Okay, I won. So I go here, right? Okay, I won. That's good. I won. Look, there's my name over there. Awesome. Okay, I'm ready to click the button. Okay, I clicked it. Think fast. Over here. No, I died. I didn't think fast. I don't know how to think fast. Spleef? Wait, what? Wait, why is it so dark? Guys? What? Guys, I think I found a new glitch. It's so dark down here. What the heck? And how am I under the map? Okay, maybe I just gotta reset this. All thing is just fake, right? Why is it so dark and creepy? Okay, I guess I just got glitched, but it's okay. Oh hey, this guy has a rainbow carpet. Can I have one, please? Oh wait, we're in a maze. I guess I gotta find the way out, right? Not that way, I guess. I have a gut. It's this area. I have a gut and I follow the gut. Usually the maze is complete. Not there, I guess. Where could the exit be? I can't even zoom up. Bruh. I don't even see anything. It's just all dead ends. Where are we supposed to go? This way? Oh, this way leads to nowhere. So no one won that, didn't they? Hey, Bo, don't click the button. It's my button. Why can I not click it? Okay, where are we? No, why? This again? Okay, wait, is it this area? Can we? Okay, this area, right? Must be. This leads to a dead end. Is it this? Maybe this area. No, there's a dead end. Over here? Here is a dead end. Wait, where are we even going? I don't get it. Is there even an exit? Wait, did we find the exit? It's this area, right? Right? Okay, fine. I'll just click the button first, though. Ow! How did I just die instantly? Good chosen one. Ow! 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 Everything's getting really slippery here. I could push back from this, you know. I don't really need to worry much. Survive. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! What do we do? Oh, that one just moved. That one just died. I don't want to die. Oh god, that's so scary. No, don't kill me. I don't want to go anywhere near that. Oh god, it falls. Okay, get it now. Okay. No, I'm staying here. Oh god, no. I think that one platform's gonna survive. No! Wait, we're dead. Yes, we survived! Money! Ah, help me! I'm dead. Winner, Abbott Peaceful? Oh, Abbott Epic. Okay, I know why. Because this guy's freaking cheating with a freaking, carpet, which kind of sucks. But it's okay, I guess. Let's go complete it. Yo, so many people completed it. I want to complete it. Hey, move, bacon. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's the ending. I see it with my own eyes. I'll race you to it, bro. I won. Let's go. Super happy. Hey, this dude's so cheating. I want that also, I'll click the button first. Bad weather. Uh-oh, what do we do? I think we need shelter. Wait, I could just get out of here, right? I could just stay here and I'll be alive. Button, protect me. Oh god, is it trying to kill me? Who's it trying to kill? Oh god, it just killed that guy. Oh god. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching. Bye!